Ever feel like you're constantly busy, but never really productive? Like you're putting out fires all day, but your biggest goals stay untouched? You're not alone. That's where the Eisenhower Matrix comes in, a simple, powerful tool to help you prioritize like a pro, cut through the noise, and take control of your time. In this video, you'll learn exactly how it works, how to use it in your daily life, and real-life examples that'll make it stick. Oh right, are you ready to get out of busy mode and into boss mode? Let's dive in. Section 1. What is the Eisenhower Matrix? The Eisenhower Matrix is named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States and a 5-star general. Known for his incredible productivity, he once said, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." The Matrix helps you decide what to do, what to schedule, what to delegate, and what to delete, based on the following 2 key questions. Is it important? Is it urgent? From these, we get 4 quadrants. 1. Urgent and important. Do it now. 2. Important but not urgent. Schedule it. 3. Urgent but not important. Delegate it. 4. Not urgent and not important. Eliminate it. Let's break these down with real-life examples. Section 2. Quadrant 1. Urgent and important, to be done now. Quadrant 1 is where the crises live. These are tasks that demand your immediate attention and contribute to your goals or responsibilities. Think of a looming project deadline at work, a medical emergency, a broken pipe flooding your kitchen. These are the do-it-now tasks. But here's the thing, living in this quadrant too long will lead to burnout. Pro tip, the more you work on quadrant 2, the less you'll end up in quadrant 1. Section number 3, quadrant 2, important but not urgent. Schedule it. Quadrant 2 is the golden zone. These tasks don't scream for attention, but they move your life forward in a big way. Examples include working out regularly, learning a new skill, spending quality time with loved ones, planning your week in advance. They don't feel urgent until you realize you've neglected them. Just like neglecting exercise leads to health problems. Ignoring relationship time causes distance. These are the foundation builders. Block time on your calendar for them, because they won't demand your attention, but they deserve it. Section quadrant number 3, urgent but not important. That can be delegated. Quadrant 3 is kind of sneaky. These tasks feel urgent because someone wants your attention, but they don't really matter to your long-term goals. Think of answering non-essential emails, attending meetings without a clear purpose, doing someone else's work because they didn't plan ahead. But if you're not careful, your day disappears here. Let's look at a real-life example. Let's say you're deep into writing a report that will advance your career. Suddenly, your coworker pops in and says, "Hey, can you help me fix this spreadsheet real quick?" That's quadrant 3. It's urgent for them, but not really important for you. Solution? Delegate or kindly defer. Protect your focus like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Section 4, quadrant number 4, not urgent and not important, can be eliminated. Quadrant 4 is the time-wasting trap. These tasks are neither urgent nor important, but they're often the most tempting. For instance, binge-watching shows you don't even enjoy. Doom scrolling on social media. clicking through cat videos, even though you have allergies. Now, there's nothing wrong with rest or entertainment. But try to always be intentional about it. If you're using these activities to procrastinate or escape, they're not rest, they're distractions. Cut back or eliminate these where possible. Reclaim that time for things that truly matter. Section 5. Real-life application example. Sarah's story. Meet Sarah, a 32-year-old marketing manager, mom of 2, and part-time student. She constantly feels overwhelmed. Her to-do list? A mile long. Once she discovered the Eisenhower Matrix, everything changed. Here's how she used it. Urgent and important. Finish the campaign presentation due tomorrow. Important but not urgent. Take a weekend course on data analytics to boost her career. Urgent but not important. Delegate the team's travel bookings to her assistant. Not urgent and not important. Uninstall a few distracting apps she kept checking mindlessly. As a result, within weeks, Sarah was less stressed, more productive, and actually had time for a weekly movie night with her kids. That's the power of prioritizing with clarity. Section 6. How to use the Eisenhower Matrix today, step by step. Ready to try it yourself? Here's a simple process. 1. Write down everything on your plate. Personal, professional, everything. 2. Ask 2 questions for each task. A. Is this important? B. Is this urgent? 3. Sort them into the 4 quadrants. 4. Take action accordingly. Do the urgent and important. Schedule the important but not urgent. Delegate the urgent but not important. Eliminate the rest. Bonus tip? Okay, use a digital tool or a printable matrix template to do this weekly or even daily. It takes 10 minutes, but it can save you hours. Section 7. Final thoughts. You don't really need more hours in the day. You need a better way to use the ones you already have. The Eisenhower Matrix is your compass in a world full of distractions. So here's your challenge. Right after this video, take just 10 minutes to make your own Eisenhower Matrix. List out your tasks. Categorize them. Decide what stays and what goes. Don't let another day go by being busy but not effective. Prioritize like a pro and watch your life transform. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone drowning in to-dos. Let's help them breathe again. Until next time, be intentional, stay focused, and take back your time. Thanks for watching.